Hi, today I'm happy to share with you a new technique of teaching online by writing on a transparent glass board with with an S Pen on a Samsung tab here. I will be creating a document on the Samsung tab and I will be writing on the screen. This will be captured in OBS as an online lecture against a background with my video also, and the overall effect will be that of a transparent light board. So, my name is Dr. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. In my pastime, I create videos to help teachers communicate better with their students. I have taught them innovative methods of teaching by a digital light board as opposed to a physical light board. This digital light board can be constructed out of various sources. I have done that with an iPad, a laptop, a boogie board, a smartphone, and previously an Android tablet also. And this is another way of doing it from an Android tablet. I also have made videos for doctors to communicate better with their patients by digital conferencing and focusing on the eyes of the patient. So you can see these videos on my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. My professional website is www.Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam.com. Kindly visit that to know more about my profession. So to begin this video, I am recording this segment with me seated with a blue background. I will be utilizing this blue background. I will be keying out the sources here. The size of this frame is quite sufficient because the rest of the frame will be occupied by the whiteboard or the digital whiteboard and a background. So now I'm going to disappear for a while and add in the sources, and I will see you again later. See you. I'm now sharing with you my computer screen. You can see that I opened OBS, and in one version of OBS I have created sources here. You can see the sources here. This is a video capture source, this is a background source, and this is the window capture or the tablet page, green color page on which I will be writing upon. I will maximize all these and I will rearrange them so that the Windows capture appears on top. Next is my image. I will be keying out the blue color image and you will see it against the background now. So let me go to the second version of OBS which you are seeing here now, and I'll demote the image so that it comes last. I will promote the Windows capture so that it comes to the fore, and I will size it to the correct one so that we can utilize the green color surface of the image here. After having cut out all the unnecessary portion, I'm going to make it to fit to the screen, and there we are. And now the next one is the blue color image of mine. So let's hide the Windows capture for a minute and concentrate on this one, my camera now. So you can see that there are some extraneous portions here. I will cut out those portions here. Only retain the blue color portion so that that can be keyed out. And this image size is sufficient. And now again I'm going to transform to size to fit to screen. So there we are. And now the third one, I'll hide this now, and then we have this background image. This is just an empty wall with a plant behind, nice aesthetic appeal. So I'm going to again transform it and make it fit to screen. There we are. So now we have three sources, one after the other. Let me now disclose all these sources. This is the bottommost source, this is the wall, and then now you have my picture over there which I will be keying out the blue color, and then you have the front green screen over there. If I write on this green screen, as you watch now, it will appear on this green screen. So I'm going to write on this green screen now. So you can see whatever I write will appear on this green screen. So I'm going to erase it and get the transparent glass by keying out the green. Now the screen is totally empty, bare, and I can write on it. I'm going to add a chroma key filter to this by right clicking the filters tab, and I'll add a chroma key filter here. And now the front Windows capture page has been keyed out. You can see the outline here barely. Now we have my image here. I will key out this also by adding a chroma key filter. You have my image. with the background keyed out, and you can see a white background there. So we are now ready to record the tuition, and now I'm going to write on this screen with my S Pen, and you will see that whatever I write on the screen, I'm going to write here and it will appear here now. So you can see that appear over there just in front of my face. So you can use this method to teach students by writing on the slate. It will appear as if you are talking to them while you are teaching them. So if you look into the camera straight away like this and you tell them, hello students, so you never lose contact with your students for a fraction of a second also. Students are also happy to see the teacher eye to eye and will be there in rapt attention. So that's it. I'm going to conclude the tutorial and I'm going to wrap up and discuss the merits of this method of teaching now. So I'm going to just set this tablet aside. So this is a very useful way of teaching online by a laptop and an S Pen. Many people will have Samsung tablets, and usually it comes with an S Pen, so it's very easy to write on it. So if you follow these steps, that is, you need to have a knowledge of OBS, how to bring in various sources here. I brought in all the sources, including the tablet as a Windows capture, and then I brought in a videos capture, I brought in an image capture, 3 sources, and then arrange them properly so that what you write upon comes to the forefront, your video is in the middle, and the background, you make sure that you've got an aesthetic background and there is no clutter. So that's it. So this is a very useful way, an innovative way of teaching online. So students and the teachers, I hope you found this video useful. If you did find this video useful, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Like and share. Hit the bell icon after subscribing. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.